Toyota Tundra 4WD, automatic transmission, 5.7L V8. Call our internet managers for more information. Brian 817-655-4941 or Bobby 817-313-7199. If you are located near Moritz at Fort Worth or anywhere in the nation, visit us on the web at www.watudla.com to view our entire selection of pre-owned inventory. We have a huge selection to choose from and we are happy to answer any questions you may have. We are proud carriers of Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, Toyota, Honda, Chrysler, Jeep, Hummer, Pontiac, Buick and many more. Come see us if you are in Fort Worth, Dallas, Saginaw, Ponder, Crum, Justin, Haslett, Denton, Crowley, Mansfield, Arlington, Kendale, Cleburne, Benbrook, White Settlement, Crescent, Granbury, Godley, Joshua, Burleson, Everman, Forest Hill, Colleyville, Grapevine, Ilmus, Coppell, Southlake, Carrollton, Pantego, Duncanville, Addison, Ranger, Flower Mound, Trophy Club, Eagle Mountain, Ever, and Kendale, Cedar Hill, Mesquite, Lancaster, Garland, Wilmette, Richardson, Rockwall, Addison, McKinney, The Colony, Tyler, Longview, Kilgore, Athens or Plano.